Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for a 1993 to 1996 Chevy Camaro, the 95-3009. This kit is designed for a double-din install and is painted and textured to match your factory dash. Now there will be some sub-dash modifications, but like always, Metra's instruction manual will help you get the job done. Now to finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the 70-1858 and your antenna adapter will be the 40-GM10. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.